Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set timer in Oppo camera. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is click the camera on your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in camera, okay, go to the top screen in your Oppo A5s mobile phone, and okay, you can see the timer icon on the upper corner. So okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, here you can see the 3 seconds and 10 seconds countdown. So okay, to enable the 3 seconds, okay, for example, I set and 3 seconds countdown. So okay, click the 3 seconds countdown. And okay guys, we can try at the 3 seconds countdown camera. So okay, we can try to shot the Oppo A5s camera. And okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, we can try at the 10 seconds. Okay, you'll have to do is click again the timer icon on the top. And okay, select the 10 seconds. And okay guys, we can try it again, the 10 seconds. Okay, we can try to capture camera. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and shot. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, how to turn off this timer. So okay, you'll have to do is go to the top of the screen, and okay, click again the timer icon on the top. And okay, you can see the off button. So okay, to turn off this timer, you all have to do is click the off button. And okay, we can try it if the timer is off. So okay, I have a sample of shot here. Okay, click the shot. And okay guys, we have successfully turned off the timer countdown in your camera. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.